Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix desktop and taskbar keeps refreshing constantly in Windows 11, 10. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Windows error reporting service, stop the service, change startup type to disabled, click apply, click OK. Open problem reports control panel support, stop the service, change startup type to disabled, click apply, click OK. Second method is restart Windows Explorer. Third method is update graphics driver automatically. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc /scanno. Type dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.